get ready. Hi, I'm Loretta Barnes. Each town I visit in my district, I see a common thread. People working hard day in and day out to support their families. Hoosiers work hard and expect their representatives to take action, to bring better support to our public schools. Teachers shouldn't have to work 2 or 3 jobs just to pay their bills, to bring better attention to repairing our rural roads and sidewalks in Attica, in Waynetown, in Romney, and in Kentland, to bring broadband to rural areas so students and businesses can thrive, to bring better health care solutions to Indiana so no one has to choose between going to the doctor or paying their bills, to bring better jobs by incentivizing businesses to build in rural areas so you don't have to drive 50 minutes to work every day. When it comes down to it, if your representative isn't working on a daily basis to improve the quality of life for the citizens of this district, then vote them out and vote for someone who will take action. I'm Loretta Barnes, and I'm running to be your next Indiana State Representative for District 13. A vote for Barnes is a vote to make the Indiana government start working for you.